Sorry, the wind's blowing into the microphone. So wanted to get this real quick while they're all out here because the sun's going down and probably not going to get much more time. But we're on the north side of the chicken coop, and our feed bill is kind of more than what I make in egg cells and stuff. I'm not gonna lie. As y'all know, I have quite a few chickens. You know, chicken math. I don't know how many I have. People ask me, and I don't know. I don't know how many I have. Anyway, so every day, our different breeds are in different pens to keep them all separated, and then every day I rotate who gets to come outside. And today it happens to be these guys. But I want to go down on our feed bill by planting a chicken garden. And no, I don't mean I want to grow more chickens. I mean, I want to grow plants that chickens eat, that it's very good for them, and hopefully decrease our feed bill. So, I'm going to put up a fence here, around here, this square area, this whole area right here. And, kind of researched it a little bit, seen a couple videos on it, and it looks like, I should be planting like Amaranth, Comfrey. There's even some water plants like Azollo, hyacinth, lilies, you know, that kind of stuff, lettuce, whatever. You can put them in kiddie pools and put them out here. And then you take like half of them out like once a week and feed it to the chickens, and then like a week later it's all grown back. That's why a lot of water plants are kind of very discouraged by the DNR for people to have, because they grow so fast in ponds and stuff, and that mine will be contained in kiddie pools, so, and the chickens will be eating them. Anyway, so that's what this area is going to be, is a chicken garden. So I needed help getting the top layer of this area kind of tilled up a little bit. You can see it's just, there's been nothing here, but we used to have our pigs here in this area at one point, and the ground is just hard right here. We haven't had anything here in a while, so I wanted to kind of soften the dirt up on top. I don't have the plants or anything yet, but before I really get going, I want to get the fence up, and then every day when I let the pen of chickens out, I want to bring them and kind of lure them over here into this area and let them do their duty for the day and work, give them all a job to work this area. And that way they're earning their keep. But anyway, it's for a good cause. Hey, they're going to get some good stuff. So, but they're doing a good job. Look at that, man. She's already got like dirt showing right there. But, yeah. So this is what we're working on right now. So we're on day 2. Here's one crew coming down to work. Hi, Mama. What? You got a complaint? You're coming to HR? What's the matter? What? So they're gonna work up here a little bit. There's the second crew. They're working down there. You're still complaining? No, you can't have sunflower seeds. What? No sunflower seeds today. Maybe when you're done. I know, it's not fair, is it? You think it's not fair. Go to work. Go to work. Such good little helpers. You're back. You're not getting sunflower seeds. We just discussed this. No, when you're done, you can have some. You're back. You're complaining. Okay, so she's wanting sunflower seeds. Look, here's my hand. Watch her. That's all she's picking out. You are picky. Oh, here comes the other one. They're spoiled. Did you get them all? Yeah, there isn't any more, is there? You got them all. That's it. No more. There isn't any. Ow! That's it. That's all you get. Now go to work. I don't have any more. See? Looking for the bag. Chickens are smart. They're very, very, very smart. No. I don't have any more. They're all gone. Go. This is how smart these chickens are. Look. I put the bag right there. It's underneath here. Watch. They know it's under there. Go to work. They're such good chickens. So, I'll end this video since it's gone pretty long. I was going to end it with the last one, but I didn't really have a closing on it. So, the next video, as you can see, since the last video, I do have my husband help me put up some of the fence. We'll get the finishing of it so we can get them enclosed in here. So hopefully on the next video, this will all be done and set up, and hopefully have some of the plantings done and in here plantings. Okay. Yeah, I'm tired. I've just planted a bunch of rhubarb down at the end of the pasture. Oh, anyway, I do have some plants that came in, some of the seeds, so I got them planted in trays. They're inside, so they've already started sprouting. Get them going for the summer. Just waiting for the water plants, so I can go get them, get the pools, get them going. So until next time, hopefully there's a big change in here. See ya.